Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Alright, hello everybody. Merry Christmas. Today is December 25th. And yesterday night I was so late just trying to prep everything and also do Christmas wrapping because we're super last minute. And I just feel like this year, like Christmas, the holidays, it just really stresses me out. Like, I don't know what it is. I just feel like there's so much on my plate and I can't like do everything. I haven't been vlogging as often as I would like just because I am busy with school, work, and just trying to get like my shit together, you know. And with the holidays, like it just feels like there's so much stuff that I have to do and I don't want to do anything at all. I know that's such a bad like mindset to have, but at the end of the day, like I still power through and I get stuff done, but it just really drains my energy. But yeah, good thing my husband actually put up our dresser that I went to Seattle strictly to go and buy because they were always out of stock every time I was there. This originally was supposed to go on my husband's side of the bed and act as a nightstand and also like a dresser, but unfortunately it's a little too big and it just looks awkward because our room's not that big. So I decided to put it on my side and just put it up against my Alex drawer right here. Obviously I haven't organized any of the stuff right here, but yeah, I have kind of like an extra space to put stuff on, which isn't always the greatest thing because then it's so easy to just pile stuff up. But yeah, I just did a haul and I have all the stuff on my bed right now, and I need to put everything back because we're not going to be home until later. And the last thing, I just hate dealing with stuff on my bed. Like, my bed is like my safe haven. I like it to be clear, so that way I could just jump on my bed and like lay down if I wanted to. So grabbing some drinks and just chilling at home. And it's way too cold to be out, and we're way too old to be partying up all night. So hopefully you guys are having a fun New Year's, doing more things than I am, and be safe out there. So it's been a few hours now, and we came home. We took a nap because that pho just knocked us out. We went to Fred Meyer's afterwards, but the line was so busy. There were so many people there that it just wasn't worth standing in line just to purchase one makeup brush. So I was like, you know what, screw it, let's just get out of here. So we came home and we just took a nap, and now it's 5:03. So I need to tidy up the house because it's so messy as usual. Did you still want them? No.
Ooh, that shit warm.
It's warm?
That's not how it goes.
Why are you doing this so much? Cause wait, this way or this way? This way. Why?
你們度路喎，我掛住地度啊嘛，因為去啊，所以
It is straight. Hindi din kita. Here.
Wow.
Moua.
Dạ. Moua tê.
근데 심각한.
어때? 와, 너무 좋은 거.
뭐? Relax.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.